Hello everybody. We got some very nice moves in the past days, especially on Friday. So let's have a look at crypto. So for Bitcoin, so we got the buy signal over here on Wednesday 26th of October. Then we had a couple of days where we were underwater, and then with the push yesterday, how much? 4.65%. We are virtually in profit. So this is a good one. And then let's have a look for the turtle strategy. Let's enable it this way. This one, yeah, was also a buy signal on the same day. So that was a nice confluence there. Then let's have a look at Ethereum. So the ATR strategy buy signal on the 25th of October, so one day earlier, and since then it's nicely climbing up. And then for the turtle strategy, also the same day. So also same confluence. And then we have Solana, buy signal on the 28th, a little push up, we're coming down, and now Friday almost plus 9.5%, and today plus 7%. So this one is also moving nicely in the right direction. So one exception is this one, XLM. We got the sell signal on the 1st of November, and yeah, it looks like this will be a losing trade. Yesterday, plus 6.26%. It's a bit of a weird move, but if all the rest is pushing upwards, then I can imagine that XLM will do the same unless there's some really bad news coming out. But okay, it is what it is. You don't always win in this game. DOGE, yeah, this was perfect. We got the buy signal here on the 26th of October, and let's see. So for now, we're up 75%. Unfortunately, stop loss is way down. So if you want to be on the safe side, yeah, then I mean, if you want to lock in some nice profits, then make sure to put your stop loss higher. I really have no idea where. This is such a nice pump. How much was this? 45%. I have no idea. Maybe. But still, it's also low again. We have this high over here, so that might be again. So resistance, push through, and we might come back to retest this as support. So yeah. Anyway, these are very nice profits. Don't forget to lock in. To lock in profits. This is just way too nice. Don't leave this open and then only to see that it drops again gigantically and you have gained nothing. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. So here we have the super trend algorithm. Got the buy signal here, 25th of October, and since then we have been moving up. So stop loss is now getting almost at break even. So also here profits. Then gold and silver, those are also very nice trades. So we got a buy signal on the 3rd of October, but then we got the exit signal over here on the 10th of October. So since then we're coming down. And then yesterday plus 3.15%, and we closed above the level 1 buying trigger. So this is again a buy signal. Then silver, there we were already in a trade. So here we, on the 3rd of October, we had a nice push up, almost 8.8%, but unfortunately 2 days later it seemed it was the top, and we did come all the way down. Exit signal here on the 11th October. And then here on the 21st of October, we got the new buy signal, and yeah, then we are ranging a bit around that entry price, and now a push yesterday of 7.05%. So precious metals are doing well. So the reason being that is the weak dollar. So this is euro dollar with the super trend Algo. So we got a long signal on the 4th of October, and then unfortunately on Thursday we got a short signal. And then what happened yesterday, plus 2.14%, which is quite an incredible move for a currency. And yeah, we're immediately underwater. So stop loss, or at least the Algo will signal a long signal if we close above 1.0105. Then the S&P 500, so this is the weekly chart, because on this one the ATR Algo performs a bit better. So on the weekly was not really a nice bullish candle. So we're under the influence. Let's see if I hide. Does it hide? Okay, it hides everything. We have here this green line. So this is the volume weighted average price from the pandemic low. And we're getting close to that one, which might act as a resistance. If we manage to close above, then we still have again this bluish one. Also, this is the one, the volume weighted average price from the top. So it was a resistance here around mid-August. So we're gonna have to see also what the reaction will be over here. Looking at the volume, so since the top, most of the people have been trading here at the point of control, which is at 43.26. So this is getting a danger zone. So if I mark this out, so like this, we have this VWAP, we have this point of control. Then if we look at the volume from the low, the pandemic low, to the most recent high, then we have the point of control at 33.85 more or less. So this would be an area of support. So it can very well be, if we are if we are going to have a few bullish months, we might maybe have something like this, where we come back, retest the low, grab the liquidity over there, and then maybe we can finally push a bit higher. But to be honest, I think this will just be a weak, how to say, a weak bull run. We're still at the beginning of a bear market, so there's so much going on these days in the world. I really don't see that we will break new highs. So yeah, be careful if you trade this one to the upside. Just take profits as much as possible. So for the ATR trading, there we would turn bullish if we break the 4289. So then we would get a buy signal, but this is exactly at this zone where I just said that that we might find a lot of resistance. So yeah, I don't know. There's this high, we might take this one out, and yeah, No, I definitely would like to see this be broken before I would turn a bit more bullish. So that's the S&P 500 crude oil. Also here, buy signal on the 27th, and then 2 candles we were underwater, and now last Friday push up for that 38%. So this one is also in profit. And then finally copper, also the buy signal there. We had a push of 8%. So yeah, this one definitely closed above the trigger to go long. Also be aware with those gigantic bullish candles that we will always have corrections in the days after. So yeah, I just see it now. We're exactly at resistance. Let's remove those lines. So we had the highs over here from the end of August, and this is exactly where we did push into. So I can imagine that from here we will go down a bit to grab some liquidity to push higher. But also here I'm not they say that copper goes together with house or with building of new houses and flats, because then the demand is higher. So if this is a genuine push, then I don't see how it can be related to building more houses, because for the moment it doesn't really look good, the real estate market. So maybe it's just pure speculative or on the weakness of the dollar, and that people run into all kind of metals, even copper. Let's see. Now we have been much lower in the past. This is the pandemic low over here at $2. Yeah, also here we have to be cautious, but okay. A buy signal is a buy signal. I take it. So yeah, look here, percent profitable. So 51.64% of your trades will close out in profit. And this so far would have made up for 24,990% if you would have traded this way from the beginning on Wanda. Of course, that's all theoretically. A maximum drawdown, so that's almost 50%. So that means you would lose at a given moment 50% of your portfolio. So as with all those algos, don't go in for the full 100%. You should diversify. All right, good. Then I discussed everything what I wanted to discuss, I think. Let's have a look now at our model portfolio. So we have Bitcoin. So for the moment, this has a value of $1,455. So that means we are up 50% since the beginning. Then Ethereum did very well. We're almost at 3,000, so that means we are up threefold. And then we have Solana, where we started with almost $600, which is now 1,039. So also here a bit more than 50% of profit. So yeah, all in all, they are doing very well. Okay, good. That was it from my side. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.